So here in this session, we are going to discuss a question which was asked in GATE 2022 from the general aptitude section. And the question is very easy. Just there is a need of reading the question very carefully. The question is, altruism is the human concern for the well-being of others. Altruism has been shown to be motivated more by social bonding, familiarity, and identification of belongingness to a group. The notion that altruism may be attributed to empathy or guilt has now been rejected. Which one of the following is the correct logical inference based on the information in the above passage? And we are having 4 options here. So let's do it one by one. The option A is human engages in altruism due to guilt but not empathy. So it is definitely false. How we can say this is a false? Because if you are going to read this line, that the notion that altruism may be attributed by empathy or guilt, or is there, or guilt, empathy or guilt has now been rejected. So it guilt and empathy both are rejected, right? That is why it's false. Similarly, if I talk about option B, human engage in altruism due to empathy but not guilt, but it is also false because both are not in the scope. Now, if you are going to see option D, human engage in altruism due to empathy but not familiarity, but it's like reverse, because engage altruism due to familiarity. Here you can say it's engage altruism due to familiarity but not due to empathy, but here reverse is given. That is why it is also false. Now if I go to the option C, human engage in altruism due to a group of identification but not empathy, this is 100% correct. Here this line, altruism has been shown to be motivated more by social bonding, familiarity, and identification of belongingness. So that is correct and rejected by empathy or guilt. So option C, it's 100% true, right? So I hope the solution is very much clear. Further, any kind of doubt or query, you can comment. Thank you so much. And